Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Bajeng, your Itekwang. Sorry, nakaupo na naman tayo because tinatamad akong tumayo. Bear with me for my kilikili. Ang kulit lang no? Kasi umalis ako. So, wala lang, nag-me day, ganyan. So, nakalabas uli itong aking si Mahiwagang, what's this? Si Alma, ganyan. So, parang ang laki niya, no? Pag nakaganyan. Pero the truth of the matter, ito nga yung malaki actually. Ito na naman ako, si MM. Anyway, ito na nga siya, hindi ko siya nalinis. Ngayon ko lang siya nagamit ulit. So, i-compare lang natin kung yung mga nakalagay dito, magka-comparison tayo. Can fit, dyan. I miss using this guy. Yan. Ang lapit ko kasi sa camera eh. But I'll make it a quicker one kasi 10 minutes lang to. I'm recording via TikTok. Alright? So, ito na siya. This is the 2 bags that I bring along with me. This is the Alma. Napaka-pristine nito. Tingnan mo. Pag binenta mo to, perfect pa. Dilinisin mo lang. Ito lang siya. Ito lang yung medyo hindi good. Pero everything, it's perfect. Kaya minsan ayoko rin gamitin eh. Pag yung Anyway, this is the Puchet Me Teas. So, nilagyan natin siya ng mga palaman. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, diba? Hindi ko na good evening. Good evening ba ako? Hi guys. Good evening once again. Ayan. So, malinis siya. Nandito, ayan. So, 2 compartment, as you know. Alright. Okay. And, this is my wallet nowadays kasi nga, I wanted to make it very flat. I do have my, what's this? Mask. Ito na yan. Matagal yun ang nakikita yan sa akin. Way back. Siyempre, I have my get ready bag if in case na may bibiling car whatsoever. I have my agenda. This is the small one, the PM, kasi I bring along passport with me and some tingies. Alright, and then I do have my Kikay stuff kasi ginagamit ko siya sa favorite. So ito yan, yung ano ko dun sa Tag Heuer na watch. Next time nga, ano ko yung parang gagayahin natin yung sa preview, yung most top favorite mo sa preview. May ganun kasi, nakikita ko yung mga artista, o mga artista ko nyari, diba? So, ito yung mga Kikay stuff ko. I do it very minimalistic. So, lip and cheek, pag aalis na ako, I have my cologne, nakita nyo na to. My hand cream. I have my mini sip for lipstick. I have my Clinique mini Kineme na blush in case I retouch. And I do have my brush, ginagamit ko doon. Pero may powder yun. May clip in case of, diba, neon pa. Diba, kaya sa isang kamay lang. And I have my emergency Biogesic. Kasi minsan di mo masabi, diba, pag nasa labas ka, masakit ang ulo mo. That's all, thank you. It's empty. Can fit all in here. Right? And then after which, I do have my alcohol. And then, tissue. Wala na nga akong wet wipes eh. I have this little thingy na, these are my pads and some emergency kit pag kailangan ko mag-toilet or whatsoever. I have my earbuds and my earphones. And then, syempre, yung suklay ko. Ewan ko ba, ito yung nadala ko. Yung isang brush kong maliit, hindi na bumalik sa akin, may nanghiram. But anyway, that's okay. Pero I love that brush kasi that is from, what's this? From Body Shop. Tapos ito, yung aking emergency ponytail din. I have my specs here. Ayan. Hindi na natin siya naayos. Siyempre, nalagyan ko ng keys. And then, kailangan natin siyang iganito kasi iba tong pang-alis ko. This is the pang-alis. Then, I have the pambahay na specs. But most likely that one, it's pag umaalis ako kasi naka-transition. Anyway, I have this mirror. Mirror. Yan. Ay, nakikita niya yung ano ko. Ayun ako. Oh, ito. Perfect. Ayan. That's my mirror. And lastly, I have another tissue here. And then, what else do I have? Yung pangganon ko. And then yung MRT card. So, it's all empty. Linisin natin. Uy, may lumabas. Lumabas na ek-ek. No, that's the silica gel and some kineme etchos. Anyway, let's put it here in my wallet. This one. 5 minutes na lang. I need to make it quick. Let's see, let's try. Let's try. If can fit everything here, I don't think so. I need to carry this. This is the most important thing in the world now because we are in a different world. So we need to bring along the passport every time. Although I do have my passport na screenshot sa aking phone, but still need to. So this is a very essential for me. Diba? And in case of you need some masks, bus, MRT, and all. And then my specs. And then my keys are all here. Ito, I need this. Ito, isisiksik na lang natin siya somewhere here. Maliit lang naman siya. But I don't think so. The big tissue can fit in. Dati nag-fit in, di ba? Nung nasa Pilipinas ako, alam ko nalalagyan ko pa siya ng ano. Parang ngayon hindi na. Parang I don't dare to. Then, ito siya. Then, my comb. I don't think so this one can fit in. Ayan. Parang nagmamadali ako ngayon, diba? Kasi, it's 10 minutes only. Ayoko na mag-cut and all. Tapos, ito, ilalagay din natin. So, pero ano naman siya? Okay naman. Kasi, diba? Ay, napaka-bulky niya na. Yung phone, ilalagay mo na lang. Oh, I forgot this one. But I love using this. I love it. I love this bag. So, this is it. Ang hindi natin na ilagay, the tissue and this things. So, in the future, gagawa na lang natin siya ng paraan kung paano ko siya mailalagay. Diba? Anyway, highway, yun lang. But tomorrow, I think I'll still be using this bag. Kasi nilabas ko lang siya after ilang months, hindi ko siya nagagamit. Same goes with this. Ayun lang guys, these are my favorite bag, but this is the most favorite. Gusto kong i-compare pag may time. I think tomorrow, i-try natin kung kakasya siya sa Chanel bag. Kasi yun, dala ko rin yun. Yung Chanel bag. Then, what else? Ayun lang. Kasi gusto ko lang ma-compare kung kakasya siya yung mga laman ko dito. This one is very spacious. Very spacious. Sobrang dami ng nalalaman. Kahit pag tinransfer mo pa sa taas niya, meron ano. Ayun siya. Ayun siya guys. This is it. This is the malaking ano. Ang perfect niya pa, no? Kaya minsan ayoko siyang gamitin. Kasi nangihinayang ako. Ayun lang guys. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Diba? Napakabilis lang nung review natin. Parang wala ngang kwenta. Soon, ipopost ko to sa YouTube ko. Mag-update ako ng YouTube. Hindi pa na-update yung YouTube ko. Bajeng de la Cruz. That's my YouTube as well. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Keep safe and take care. See you again very, very soon. Bye for now. Take care. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah. Keep safe.